To make fried chicken as crispy as the most famous global restaurants. Recipe is the solution. We'll cut the chicken breasts into thick strips. Now, let's prepare the batter. In a deep bowl, add 450 milliliters of cold water and dissolve the recipe fried chicken seasoning bag. Original or spicy, add 3 kilograms of chicken into the marinade and let it soak up the flavor. In this recipe, you won't need eggs at all for the coating to stick. Recipe does that job and more. Now for the coating layer, if you're making strips or broasted, dip the chicken in flour, then a quick dunk in the batter, and back into the flour again. If you want a thick coating and powerful crunch, repeat this step one more time. If you prefer a breadcrumb layer, then coat the chicken with breadcrumbs on all sides. And now it's ready to hit the heat immediately. The advantage of recipe is that it's made for immediate use. Drop it into deep oil. Check out the result. A crunch you can hear and an appetizing look. Recipe: the secret behind your restaurant's taste.